complete level 90 in Goblin Miner. Should you try it or not? That's what I will answer you in this video after testing these Goblin games myself and seeing other people's experiences as well. I will show you more proven apps such as this one, so make sure to watch this video until the end. You will also find all the links and resources in the description right here below the video, so you can start immediately after you finish watching. You are probably watching this video because you have seen Goblin Miner, or you may have seen Gold and Goblins, which is even more popular, or Goblins Wood, which is another Goblin game that works with the same idea. That's why you are in the right place when you research the game before starting it. Let's go through how does the Goblin Miner work in practice and if it's worth it. The idea in this game is that you are mining these different rewards. You can see here I'm mining these diamonds and I will get rewards to level up, and here I can do different upgrades and then you repeat. Level up faster, repeat. That's the basic idea. Let me just go here to the next level to demonstrate the game. I click right here, next level, rewards right here and here as well. Here are all the rewards for leveling up. And now it plays an advertisement because it's a free game. So let me close the ad and I open the game again. And now I have started the new level. Just to give you a basic understanding of the game, I get these goblins right here. I click and I merge them so they level up. Then I put it here and it starts mining. Then I can get more goblins, as you can see, and I can merge it again to get even more powerful goblins. And here they start mining, as you can see. Then I can level up here. If I click here upgrade, and that upgrade gives me again more coins. You can see it takes some time to mine all of these. There is 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1 second. I take them right here. And here you can see my coins and other in-game currencies. So it's a typical idle game where you will get more coins and progress even while you are not using the app. Because you see here 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left of mining. I can close the app and then these have mined automatically. And I keep these coins even while the app is closed. And then you can get more rewards by watching ads or purchasing upgrades. I don't recommend purchasing upgrades, but if you want to get rewards faster, for example here I can watch an ad and 2 times more coins for the next 3 hours. Now let's go to the big question that you are asking. Is Goblin Miner worth it? Should you pursue this? Let me share with you my and other people's experiences so you understand this better. First of all, let's talk about the gaming experience. You see on the screen that the game works. Everything that I do here has worked perfectly. For example, when I buy these goblins, I always get them successfully. I'm able to merge them, I'm able to upgrade them, and on this game also other things work. Everything has worked in this game and I didn't face any errors on Goblin Miner, which is nice. So the gaming experience is good overall. And if you don't want to watch the ads, you can simply close the app and restart it again, so you don't actually need to watch any ads to progress in the game. Just to show you an example, when I activate this automatic miner, usually it plays an advertisement right here, but I don't want to watch it, so I close it and then I play the game again, and now I simply skipped the ad. And you can see all the time, even the ad is closed, they still keep on mining. Let's see here if I can automate this upgrade to rune. Now you can see that I can use these in-game currencies to upgrade. So let me do it. I click right here, I click automate, and now you can see it started these coins automatically. So all of these things worked perfectly in the game. How hard is it to reach these levels in reality? You can see that I have started around 9 days ago, but I simply tested this for a few days, completed level 10, and I noticed that it starts getting exponentially harder because the first few levels are really fast and easy, and then at some point each level can start taking a day or even a few days. Just to give you an example of my current level, you can see here that I need to push through this first wall and then also the second wall. And now let me show you an example of a similar goblin game called Goblins Wood. Here you can see that this guy has reached level 80 and the mining takes really long time. You can see he has level 10 goblin here, and even with that one it takes 54 minutes to mine one of these mines. And you can see with level 8 goblin more than 1 day to mine one of these. So now you can start doing the math how long it's going to take from him even to reach the first wall. But in this one you don't need to reach only one wall, but you need to reach also the second wall, third wall, and then the fourth wall. So in total 4 different walls. And I think it may take even a week to pass this level with regular playing, and if you play seldom it may take even a few weeks to pass this one level. That being said, I found this person here who says I beat Goblins Wood, but he also spent hundreds of dollars on this app on in-game purchases. However, we should still be skeptical because Goblins Games would like to encourage people to spend more money on the game, so we cannot verify if this story is real. But it's still about a different game called Goblin Wood instead of Goblin Miner exactly. And when we talk about Goblin Miner here on Reddit, there is a lot of discussion about it, and I was reading if anybody has passed high levels, and based on the discussions currently, nobody here on these threads. You can see here this M Gray say that he reached level 31 in about 2 weeks, but he bought a $20 game pack. But even somebody who bought the package and played for 2 weeks reached only 31 levels, so nothing huge. But of course we can argue that the game is still relatively new, not as established as Goblins Wood or Gold and Goblins. When we go forward in time, there may appear people who reach level 90, but for now, in my opinion, it's better to focus on apps that are proven. Swagbucks is of course a reliable website and app as well, and you may compare which one of these apps give you more for the same offer. And if you want to get even other similar apps, you will find my guide in the description below the video. Here are 15 apps that you can start using today for free. You will put your email address here, click here submit, and I will send my guide for free into your inbox with free apps. But now I want to show you also a couple of apps that have a bigger potential. The first one is of course BYBIT, because this one has tens of millions of users worldwide. And if I show examples here, I have made some trades. One trade here, I have another trade open, so the potential is completely different stratosphere. Then of course BYBIT has automated trading bots if you prefer to use automated ways. So BYBIT is the first one. Coinex is another great option. You can use similar methods as on BYBIT. They also have the automated mining and also the bot here on the strategic trading. They have flexible savings and fixed savings as well that are great in my opinion, and same also on BYBIT. If you want to get more similar apps, you can get my guide. Here are simple step-by-step tutorials in beginner-friendly way with worldwide opportunities, and again I give this for you as a free gift. You simply put your email address here, click here sign up, and I will send this for 100% free into your inbox. You will find all of these apps and also my free guides in the description right here below the video. For example, for BYBIT, on the registration page you will see my face, my name, and when you scroll down you will see the details of your real welcome rewards. You can create your account and click here get my welcome gifts.